So in this video we will be discussing about the totemism. As far as the lecture series are concerned, we are doing the chapter 5, which is religion, and the topic that we were doing was forms of religion in tribal and peasant societies. In that we have completed animism, animatism, fetishism, naturalism as a basic introduction to totemism. But in this video we will have a separate discussion on totemism, as this concept is important and has a probability of being asked in the examination. This is a broad concept and hence we need to write down about this concept more. So we had a basic discussion on totemism, that it was first explained by Emile Durkheim, and he has explained it in a concept of totem, came from a word called as totem, which is prevalent in the North America. There are clans, clan 1, 2, 3, or a number of clans which are separate. Totem, there may be animal, totems can be animal, totems can be plant, totem can be objects. The word totem also try to find its genesis in the word ototem, O-T-O-T-E-M, which means friend or kin or relative. And the example that we had cited for this was Australian aborigine. Now we will have certain features, some of the features which are of the totemism. Features. Right. So in this, here we see that society is divided into several segments. Here society is divided into several segments such as clans, and each segment recognizes mystical relationship with the certain animal. So there are clan 1 to clan n, and there is an animal which is associated with clan 1 and clan n. So the society is divided into clans, and each clan have their certain relationship or ancestry that they trace or worship to this particular totem. That may be animal, that may be plant, or that may be an object, right? Considering this fact. So yes, so the first feature of this is segmented, that the totem society or the society is divided into several segments, and we have discussed about the mystical relationship which it had with object, plant, or any natural phenomena including an object. This particularly the segments or this object, plant or animal, call it as totem, they are basically worshipped. But they are not just worship, there are few things with which there are some things which are done, so we will talk about them too. Okay. So second is, there is a taboo. There is taboo in killing the totem animal. But at the same time, cannibalism is practiced. So on a particular date, the animal is also eaten. So that is ritualistic kind of a ceremony where the totem animal is hunted and killed and then ate. But it is not quite frequent, right? The animal, the totem animal, they try to conserve. They do not harm it. They do not kill it. So it's taboo of killing the totem animal. Each totemic segment is exogamic group. Exogamic. So if there is a clan A which worship an animal called as bull, so all the people of the clan will be considered to be the descendants, or they'll trace their ancestry to this animal bull. So all the member of C1 or clan 1 will be brother and sister, right? They will be a sibling, they will be a family, so they cannot marry to each other, and hence they will have to marry someone from the C2, that is clan 2, and hence they become an exogamic group. Periodic collective worship of totem animal is, there is also periodic collective worship of totem animal. We have talked about the worship of totem animal, but at the same time there is ceremonial killing, right? There is ceremonial killing. there is ceremonial killing, and we have talked about it. It is called as ritualistic cannibalism. Ritualistic cannibalism. In the first video of the chapter religion, we had studied about the various approaches to study the religion, where we had discussed the psychological approach, where Sigmund Freud have given about this particular concept, that is the ritualistic cannibalism. Totem as an animal, it can be a single animal or it can be a group of animals. So totem can be an individual or a group. Totem is worshipped by tabooing, right? See, there is a possibility of doing tattoo. So this totem animal is tattooed on a body, right, or on any object. There is totem masks which are used. For example, if the dead skin of a tiger, and if the tiger is a totem, so basically they'll not kill a tiger, but if they found the skin of tiger, there is a chance that they'll wear it as a symbol of their worship towards it. There are certain theories which gives us the origin of totemism. Theories about origin about the totemism. The first theory about the origin was given by McLennan, and the second theory was given by Fraser. So according to McLennan, totemism originated through combination of fetishism and exogenic descent. So according to McLennan, the totemism originated through combination of fetishism and exogamic descent. So this is basically the origin of totemism according to McLennan. But Fraser says that it originated through cooperative division of labor. So according to Fraser, it originated through the cooperative division of labor, in which certain group raised and protected one type of animal or plant, and the another group raised and protected another type of plant. So this is what the theories of origin about the totemism is. Now we will talk about the last topic, that is changes in tribal religion. Changes in tribal religion. The tribals, right from the very past, there are some qualities which are associated with tribals, that there is isolation, they are isolated, there is least education reached to the tribal sector or the pockets. They do not have a written language. There are dialects of language which they speak, right? So this about the tribe as in concern, we will deal with them in political organization of tribe, or paper 2 is all about the tribes, right? Second part of paper 2. So here the only thing that we have to understand tribe is with respect to the religion. So the scholars G.H. Gure and N.K. Bose and G.S. Gure and N.K. Bose, they have highlighted the changes in tribal religion due to impact of Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. As far as certain tribes are concerned, they have been heavily influenced by the adjacent area where the different communities live. For example, when there was an intrusion of outsider in the tribal area, then the people came in contact with the mainstream religion of the countries. So people, they got influenced by what came first, or what came and what influenced them first. For example, here Munda tribe or Santhal tribe. Munda and Santhal tribe of Chota Nagpur region have been influenced by Hinduism and Christianity. Munda and Santhal tribe have been influenced by Hinduism and Christianity. As far as Bhil tribe in Gujarat is concerned, they're influenced by Islam. The tribes which live in Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh and Arunachal are influenced by Buddhism. So thus it can be safely stated that, or it can be safely concluded that, according to belief system, value system, and economic condition of tribal group, different types of religion occurs in them. Moreover, tribal religion is not static, but it's a dynamic phenomena. So this is important here, that due to economic, value system, or belief system, there got a genesis of religion or any form of religion. But at the same time, we have to understand that this concept of religion is not a static concept, and it is extremely dynamic in nature. So here we will conclude the discussion on the topic totemism, and the topic, right here, the form of religion. So forms of religion, including naturalism and totemism, we have completed. In the next lecture, we will complete religion, magic, and science, and how they are distinguished from each other. As question comes from this topic, if you go through the previous year question paper, you will find that a question may arise or have been already there in the past, and there is chances of even asking them in future. And the last topic is magico-religious functionary, and then we will end the chapter 5, and we will begin with the most weighted part, that is theories, anthropological theories. So thank you for watching, and have a great time.